I will open and show you. This will help you a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh, I like very much. I was using earlier. That's why I want to tell you. See, for example, take here, go to Google, type ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Okay. You will get this website, openai.com. Click here. Okay. It will help you in writing anything. Whatever you ask, it will write. Okay. If you ask to write some code, it will write. If you ask to describe some steps how to do, it will write anything. In Google we'll see only ready-made things, but in front of our eyes it will write, like it like consolidates from internet. Like I already log in. If you want to use, first time it will ask you to sign in. You create one account or sign in with Google. Okay. Can you ask? Yes, tell me.
Can you show something?
Yeah. See this one. Chat open. This is the interface we get. All these things I think before I tested. Okay. So can you just ask something? I will type here. For example, you want to know some procedure.
Okay. How to make build exterior view of building? Exterior 3D view of building. 3D view.
Okay. Let's see. If you specify any software, it will give the steps. Do you want to specify any software in so and so software like that?
SketchUp.
In
SketchUp.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. SketchUp. Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Creating. Okay. It's typing. See.
Opening SketchUp or operating new file.
Very nice. It is typing.
What is that?
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Yes. See, congratulations. Also, it is telling like we completed, but at least we got some information. So you can try. This is like you don't need to search here and there if you want particular thing. Okay. Simply type here. It will give you, or it will explain step by step. How nicely it. Do you think it is useful? Just read once fastly, and do you think it is correct? Because I don't use SketchUp the software, so I'm not familiar.
You can use the rectangle or full. Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Yeah. So you tried this one before.
Almost giving some information.
Yeah. Step by step. Step by step.
Step by step, basic.
Yeah. So even I tested. Someone is asking how to write code. Code is very hard to write. Na? We need to have focus mind. It is writing code also, like that.
Okay. You have to create a user and password, user ID and password.
Yeah. First time it will ask. See, okay. Let me open this one in the new window, maybe new in CAT window. So I will type here. So here I will type ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Okay. Open like this. It will ask because I opened incognito window. That means it will not remember my password. So it will ask like this. You click on try ChatGPT. Okay. Here you need to create. Okay. Sign up.
Okay.
Then you just choose continue with Google. Then okay, type your Gmail ID password. Then it will come. But if you don't want to type your Gmail ID password and you just
continue with
actually create your account. Yeah, just type your this one. Then you put separate password for this one. Email address will be same, but you can put different password for this. Like that. Then it will open the page what I am seeing there. It will show like this. Then immediately start asking something. the procedure,
Mm.
what do you want to do? It will type for you. Okay. So can you write, I see, I am a graphic designer. Okay, I will write something. Can you write a CV for me? Let's see.
Mhm.
Of course, I'd happy to help you. Okay.
Mm.
See,
Very
very
fast.
nice.
Mm.
Yeah. It's giving some examples,
Yeah,
skills.
yeah, yeah.
So when you are going for interview, you can
Mm.
use this one and add some elements to. So if you say,
Mm.
I am so and so, you say your profession or whatever. Can you write CV for me? It will
Mm.
write and take that points into your CV.
Mm. Mm.
I like very much this one. Yeah.